Introducing Bendix Wingman Advanced, a collision mitigation technology. Bendix Wingman Advanced delivers following distance, impact and stationary object warnings, along with collision mitigation braking, whether cruise control is in use or not. When cruise control is on and speed is set, the adaptive cruise control with braking feature of Bendix Wingman Advanced aids your ability to maintain a set following distance between your coach and a forward vehicle by automatically reducing throttle, using the engine retarder, or applying the brakes. With Bendix Wingman Advanced, you are always responsible for control of the vehicle and can override the system by applying additional braking or full throttle during an intervention. Bendix Wingman Advanced does not replace the need for a skilled, alert driver practicing safe driving techniques. In this video, we will offer examples of how the Bendix Wingman Advanced system works on the road. These examples are for demonstration purposes only and are not intended to suggest recommended driving practices. In this section, cruise control is off, and as a result, the adaptive cruise control with braking feature is not engaged. However, you still have alerts and collision mitigation braking available. Our first demonstration reinforces how the system's following distance alerts operate. The coach is traveling down the roadway. As it approaches a slower-moving vehicle, a single beep is sounded, and a visual warning is also displayed on the dashboard. Any beeping indicates that the distance between the coach and forward vehicle is closing and that your attention is required. As the distance between the vehicles continues to narrow, the beeping increases in speed, while the visual warning also remains visible on the dashboard. At the closest following distance alert interval between the coach and forward vehicle, the audible alert is at its fastest beeping rate. You should immediately take the appropriate action to decrease your vehicle speed or maneuver clear of the forward vehicle. Remember, Bendix Wingman Advanced does not replace the need for a skilled, alert driver practicing safe driving techniques. Bendix Wingman Advanced also features stationary object alerts, which can alert you to metallic objects, such as road debris or stalled or stopped vehicles in your lane of travel. The system provides a warning up to 3 seconds before potential impact and may be helpful in low visibility situations, such as fog, smoke, heavy snow or rain, or at night, giving you advanced warning to slow or steer your coach to potentially avoid a collision. In this scenario, the car blocking the lane of travel is barely visible on the dark road. Without stationary object alert, you may not see the vehicle in time to avoid it. Now take the same situation and add the stationary object alert feature of Bendix Wingman Advanced. The system radar detects the car blocking the lane and alerts you with both an audible and visual warning. You may have time to either slow or steer your vehicle to avoid a potential collision. Like following distance alerts, stationary object alerts are available to you, whether your vehicle is in cruise control or not. Remember, you are always responsible for control of the vehicle. Bendix Wingman Advanced does not replace the need for a skilled alert driver practicing safe driving techniques. If the forward vehicle decelerates rapidly and the braking being applied is not enough to mitigate a potential collision, the impact alert activates. Red lights illuminate, a message appears on the dash, and an audible tone sounds, indicating that you need to take immediate action to avoid a collision by applying additional braking or steering to avoid the potential accident. When the Bendix Wingman Advanced system determines that a collision is imminent, the system will alert you and apply up to 2/3 of the vehicle's braking power to help you attempt to avoid the collision or lessen its severity. Collision mitigation braking is always available, whether your vehicle is in cruise control or not. Our next demonstration illustrates what happens when cruise control is on and speed is set, and the adaptive cruise control with braking feature of Bendix Wingman Advanced is activated. You activate your vehicle's cruise control and set the speed. At this point, the dashboard indicates that cruising speed has been set. On vehicles equipped with Bendix Wingman Advanced, when the vehicle cruise control system is on and speed is set, and a vehicle is in range, the object detected icon illuminates on the dash, indicating the system is tracking that forward vehicle. As the distance between your vehicle and the forward vehicle closes, the system will dethrottle the coach to maintain the set following distance. If the detected forward vehicle slows quickly, the system will engage the engine retarder as well. If the situation calls for even more deceleration, the Bendix Wingman Advanced system activates the brakes to rapidly slow the coach. The adaptive cruise control with braking feature applies about 1/3 of the total vehicle braking capability. If additional braking power is needed, you must apply the brakes to slow the vehicle. With Bendix Wingman Advanced, you are always responsible for control of the vehicle and can override the system by applying additional braking or full throttle during an intervention. Following distance alerts may also sound as the distance between the coach and detected forward vehicle closes. In the previous scenario, if the object detected icon is lit and the vehicle ahead begins to accelerate, the coach will also begin to accelerate back to the set cruise speed. Beyond the following distance situations just described, there are often other circumstances where the system may or may not intervene. Always remember, Bendix Wingman Advanced does not replace the need for a skilled, alert driver practicing safe driving techniques. Here are some common conditions and how the system will react. In these examples, the cruise control is on and speed is set. While traveling down the highway, a car cuts in front of the coach and immediately accelerates away. The coach will not change speed nor sound an alert. Now, let's take the same scenario, but rather than accelerate, the forward vehicle makes an abrupt lane change and slows down, a situation that all too often occurs near freeway exits. If the detected car suddenly slows down, Bendix Wingman Advanced will take action by warning you and slowing down the coach as previously described, reducing throttle, engaging the engine retarder, and if necessary, applying the brakes. Remember, however, that you are always responsible for control of the vehicle, and the system does not replace the need for a skilled, alert driver practicing safe driving techniques. Yet another example illustrates what you can expect when the system is engaged going around a curve. When cruise control is engaged and the object detected icon is lit as the forward vehicle enters a turn, the system's radar may not be able to continue to track that vehicle. As a result, it is possible for the system to accelerate to the set speed when approaching the turn. While the Bendix Wingman Advanced system has been tuned to minimize this possibility, you should always be alert when approaching turns in the road. It's important to know that the Bendix Wingman Advanced radar is sensitive to most vehicles. However, smaller vehicles, including motorcycles and limited metallic vehicles such as motorhomes, may not always be detected by the system. Always look for the object detected icon to be lit when a forward vehicle is present to know that it is being tracked. You should always be alert to these and other potential situations because the system may not detect a forward vehicle. While this program has discussed some of the most common driving scenarios, it cannot cover every potential driving condition. The Bendix Wingman Advanced system can help mitigate and alert you to many situations. But no commercial vehicle safety system replaces the most important safety components of all: a skilled, alert professional driver exercising safe driving habits, as well as continuous comprehensive driver training. The Bendix Wingman Advanced system provides alerts, adaptive cruise control with braking, and collision mitigation technologies to help you attempt to avoid collisions or help lessen their severity. The Bendix ESP Full Stability System is also part of the Bendix Wingman Advanced system and helps you mitigate rollovers and loss of control situations. Of course, safe operation of the vehicle and accident avoidance is still your responsibility. These safety systems will not assist in mitigating all accident scenarios. For additional information regarding the safe operation of this system, please refer to the Operator's Manual included with the vehicle. Bendix Wingman Advanced. Active safety technology that can help make the roadways safer for all of us.